Oh yeah, everybody out there in the Craft Chest Nation, is I Craft Chest here. It is time for phase 2 of my audio adventure, my Sundown Audio adventure. And what we're going to do in this video is do a live unboxing. Well, not live, but an uncut unboxing. I'm going to pause the video one time to redo the camera. I'm going to move it from here to my overhead position because I only have one camera. And then after that, we're going to have a look at the packaging that the Sundown Audio 12s, what I bought with some LCS 12s from the yard sale. We're going to have a look at the packaging. We're going to have a look at the subwoofers. This is going to be a first look. This is going to be an first impression of it. And you out there will be able to make a determination for yourselves if you would like to buy something from the yard sale, because Sundown Audio's yard sale is a separate site from the parent company, one and the same but separate, kind of like retail brick and mortar compared to internet. Same company, same warehouse, but they do not offer any type of warranty. It's as is. So I could have a crumbled, just a crumbled mess in this box, and I'm stuck with it. It cost me $90 for 2 of the LCS 12s, and if this right here turns out to be a good deal and both of them are in good condition, they both work, we're going to end up trying to buy 2 more of them because I want to end up with either 4 or 6 12s, and that's what we're going to end up putting into Das Cobalt, unless I find a better deal in the yard sale or online for some 15s, because I'm kind of thinking I might want to go 2 15s, 2 12s, 2 10s. I've always wanted to do that. So anyway, let me pause this video and let's have a first look at Sundown Audio Yard Sale LCS 12s, and maybe you might want to get down on some of this. Stay tuned! Alright everybody, here we go. Here is the box as it was on my doorstep, and I'm a little bit away from the mic, so if it's a little bit lower than normal, that's why. I'm about an arm's length away from the microphone, but it should be good. So first of all, one of the things that I want to point out is that this is kind of concerning. The flap on this broke. It was open. This was just held together by like a little thread, and I just barely did that, and it popped open when I picked it up. So yeah, that's kind of concerning there. Other than that, the box itself seems to be in decent condition. Of course, when it's the other way, it was kind of wobbly. So let me turn it up like this and show you how this right here, and I don't know if that's got something to do with why it's in the yard sale. Maybe, package got messed up, wet, or whatever. But yeah, that's the only concern I have, is these flaps being open. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the condition of these Sundown Audio LCS 12s are. And here we go. We have a piece of cardboard here. We have what's called dunnage. Anybody that knows anything about packing, I do packing almost every day that I open at work. This is called dunnage that they put in the package to keep things from moving back and forth like this, and to pad it. Bag everything. Derrick says that in his videos. So here we go. Let's see what kind of packaging we do have here. So obviously, these being LCS 12s, I'm not looking for wooden crates and expandable foam and all that other good stuff. So pretty decent. We have this right here, has a little bit of padding with the dunnage around it. We'll kick these to the side, and we're going to look at these in layers to see exactly what the condition of these are. Now keep in mind, once again, these are items that I bought from the yard sale. So if it's damaged, it's not my fault. That's just the way I bought it. Alright, so as we can see, somebody here bagged this up. Let's take this out and see what kind of condition it's in. And, uh-oh, what is this? Oh, hell yeah. He did it. He actually did it. Oh, man. Hey, Derrick, I'm going to have to show y'all this. Hey, man, thank you. If you see this, if you're watching this video, man, I appreciate that. He actually did it. Alright, check this out. We have the LCS 12s bagged up, bag everything, as Derrick says. We're going to kick that to the side, so that's layer number 3. Alright, so is that right? Dunnage, cardboard, plastic. And then, guys, check this out. Oh my gosh, a YouTube celebrity. I asked in the notes, I said, if you have time, will you autograph my Sundown Audios? And look at this right here. Oh my God. Thank you so much for that. Oh man, I'm fanboying out. Thank you, Derrick. I appreciate that. And now I know actually how to spell his name. But yeah, let's have a look at this particular subwoofer here. Same Sundown Audio LCS 12s. I don't see damage to anything. Tinsel leads, spiders, all that looks good. The basket looks good, and I don't see any major anything. I don't see any damage to it. I don't know what the deal is with it, of why they're on the yard sale. But as you can see right here, everybody, let me give you a nice little still shot of this. All right, so you can see, and let me go slow so you can actually look around here, and we have another subwoofer to go. So let me move my big meatball out of the way here, and you can actually have a look at the magnet. I'll give you a side to side of that as best I can, and let the camera focus. For some reason, autofocus keeps on turning back on. Here are the dual voice coil leads right here and here. These right here are the LCS models, so they don't have the push pins. They're just old style. And there you go. So that's one. That one looks like it's in decent condition. So let's set that to the side. We're actually going to put this back in the bag, because I have a thing about things being in a plastic bag. If they come in a bag, put them back in the bag. That's just me. All right, and then we'll kick this one to the side, and we'll go down to the bottom and look at the other one. All right, so let's put this to the side, and we have another one. So layer number 4 is going to be the separator cardboard here, and look what I found, everybody. Just like they say that everybody gets, you get your very own Sundown Audio sticker. Oh yeah, we're going to put that to good use. Thank you very much for that. They didn't even skimp out. I got my Sundown Audio sticker happening there. All right, so let's pull out this 4th layer of packing, which is the separator between both subs. And it looks like to me that we have another one that's down in here. And this one's actually sealed. So let's see what's going on with this. Nice double packaging on that. Another layer of cardboard to sit on top of this one. And more dunnage. Here we go with the dunnage. I like that. Alright, 6 layer, that's the 6, so we got 4, 5, 6, 7, that was 7, and then, oh, the other LCS 12, and it's autographed. He actually took the time out. What? That's what I'm talking about, dude. You rock. I appreciate that. I don't know, man, I just did it to do it, you know, to ask him to do it, and he actually autographed it. The shipping manager from Sundown Audio. Alright, and we have the moisture pack right here, very important, especially when shipping down to a place that's got just as much humidity as North Carolina has down here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And there we go. So let's have a look at this one. Once again, let me flip this around. I think this is going to be right. Yeah, here we go. This will be right side up for you guys. Look at that. Got the autograph, got the Sundown Audio. I don't know exactly what the deal is with these, but it looks like maybe a blemish right here. Can y'all see that? See that blemish? Maybe this has something to do with it here. I don't know. Looks like maybe some of the glue or something right here. Can y'all see that? Let me get close up here. Focus, focus. Yeah, I don't know. What is that sun flare thing happening on my screen? What is that? That might be on the monitor. But anyway, that's the only thing I really see on this. Maybe it didn't pass quality because of that. Doesn't look like it has as much sheen on here, or something might have got on it or whatever. It's still moving. Tinsel leads are connected. Spider looks good. Initial, look at this. Looked like maybe the first one, these were a little bit, the actual connectors look like that one actually might have been used for testing or something, which is awesome because, hey, I know it works. So let's have a look at the magnet. This right here looks like it's in good condition. Just give you a nice little rotation around there. Now, I don't see any major damage to it. They're flexing. I can push on it. And man, that cone, oh my God, that's so tight. Look at that pulp on that, everybody. Can y'all see that? Let me see if I can get this in the shot. Look at that pulp in there. Look at that pulp. That is a nice pulpy cone. Man, they didn't skimp out on the actual quality on this. And they talk about performance, so we're going to see how it performs. Nice and beefy feeling. Twice the weight of the Blah Punks that we have in there right now. And everybody, I cannot wait to get these into the car. So all in all, impressed with the packaging. This was packed how? Down? Was this down like this? I'm going to have to rewind. The only thing is that it'd been nice, I guess, just to be, if I had to be picky, that the right side up had one more layer of cardboard just to protect this part right here, maybe the dust cap. But it's no big deal. It made it fine. No damage. Got the autograph. Man, he actually autographed my stuff. One day these are going to be worth millions, everybody. I'm telling you. All right, so anyway, I am going to pause the video. We're going to go back to desktop for the straight up view, and I'm actually going to leave one of these out. I want to actually leave one of these out for a moment. I will be right back. Stay tuned. This is the packaging, Sundown Audio, yard sale items. Overall, I'm impressed. Big thumbs up. Now, the big question is, I'll tell you about the big question here in just a minute. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. And the big question is now, do they work? That's the trick. And I'm not going to throw an ohm meter or anything on there. We're just going to go ahead and plug these bad boys up after I do a little finagling with them, because remember, on our particular build right now, as we sit, it may change and it probably will change in the future over the course of the next 4 to 6 weeks. I know we're going to change, unless Murphy messes with me. We're going to be changing up amps, but right now we are rocking the old school. Nothing wrong with it. Works like a champ. You're going to hear it before I put these in tomorrow. I'm going to actually do a little demo outside. Not very loud, but just to get a little flex, just to show you some loud play of the Blah Punks on the Punch 150 that we have out there. Just running in stereo mode right now on the enclosure. And then after that, we're going to install these. And I don't know how long it's going to take. Give me a couple of days on this. But we'll get these bad boys installed. Where's the right side up on this? Sundown Audios. We're going to get these LCS 12s. And I know a lot of people out there thought I was talking smack, like I wasn't about to put these in the car, but I told you it's going to happen. And here we go. Sundown Audio. You know, a lot of people said, hey, go with some DD. Go with this. Go with that. You know, what about Scar? What about all this? You know, the more I watched and the more I heard from people, the number one thing I always read, heard, watched was Sundown Audio. You can't go wrong. All right. When it works, it works. They build quality merchandise, and even buying something from the yard sale, I honestly don't see a damn thing wrong with this subwoofer. All right. Now I may be wrong and this bad boy be burnt up. I don't know. It doesn't smell burnt. Smells good to me. And they're autographed. So that right there ought to add at least 5 dB, right? Right? That's 5 dB right there just by having them autographed. But everybody, thank you for watching Sundown Audio Yard Sale Items LCS 12s. If they have some more of these next week, you can rest assured I'm going to get at least 2 more. And I'm buying all this stuff myself, all right? I haven't gotten donations from either Stream or anything off of YouTube or anywhere else in months. All right, ever since I went back to work. So I haven't asked. I haven't been pushing it. All right, haven't been getting any in. Gun Toad, of course, still #1 supporter out there with the only $50 donation that I got this past month for something completely different than this. But there you go. So if you want to support the cause, y'all know what to do. You know, y'all know the links. Y'all have seen them before. And if you don't, I'll put put it in the description down here if you want to throw a couple of pennies so that we can actually get this ultimate review done. Because what I want to do is put 6 of these Sundowns in the Defiant out here, in the Cobalt. All right? That's the ultimate goal. Might be able to fit 8. I don't know. But we're going to go with these LCSs. I think it's on time. One more look at these bad boys. Sundown Audio, everybody. What? I hope these work. Thank you, Derrick. Thank you. Got the autograph. What? It's a craft of the mind. Go out there and have some fun, everybody. Woo!
Alright, bitch. Later.